everyone, please do this volcano experiment only with adult supervision. Now, let's have fun with science.
Today, I'm making my very first Volcano Science project. It's gonna be so cool. I have everything we need to make it erupt. Wow. For this experiment, we need baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and red food coloring.
First, I'm adding baking soda into our volcano model. Look, now I'm adding a little dish soap to make the eruption foamy. Next, I'm adding red food coloring to make it look like lava. Finally, I'm pouring the vinegar. Watch the chemical reaction.
Our volcano is erupting. Thank you, Mom. I learned that science is fun when we learn together.